Hello crafty friends, thank you so much for joining me today again. Today we're gonna play with the, I think it's last month's small die of the month for Spellbinder. So I've got my little book with, I started very recently to subscribe, so I think I started in December, so I don't have that much. There it is. And I'm gonna use that one. And I'm gonna use this embossing folder that it came with my die cut machine. So I'm gonna test it. It looks really cool. There you are, using the platform as displaying on the machine for the 3D embossing folder, and look at that, beautiful. Sorry about the lighting, the sun was coming directly in the window, that's why I had to close the curtains on this one. I do prefer the direct light, to be fair. And at this point I already cut out all my little flowers and the shape, the hexagon shape, and I started to glue already. So I choose a selection of the color that you saw in the beginning. 2 type of blue, 2 type of green, 2 type of pink, and 2 shades of yellow. And once I've got my hexagon prepared, I'm just gonna start to position them in my card. I'm centering one in the middle, and then I'm just gonna go around with the rest. And I just eyeball it, the distance between the various elements, and I'm using the magic press and seal that works every time. And now I'm simply gonna put some double-sized foam square at the back of my hexagons. And once I'm done, I remove the release paper, and I'm just gonna attach it to my card base. Actually, no, it's not the card base, sorry, to the panel. That is I think is a 6x6. I think it is. Or maybe it's actually, I cut it a bit smaller than that. So it's slightly smaller than a 6x6. There you go, perfect. Now I'm gonna decorate some of the empty space with the remain little flowers that come in the kit as well, and I'm just gonna put them between the hexagons just to fill it up. And once I decide where to put them, I'm just gonna glue them down using a glossy accent as usual. And now, as a center of the flower, I decide to put my favorite thing, that is the Altenew enamel dots. So I'm just gonna go with a selection of what I've got. That is a pink and blue. And I just go with the instinct, so not really very precise. I'm gonna leave the middle one empty. I didn't realize I left another one empty, but I will fill it up after. And I'm gonna use as a sentiment this I am here for you, that I hot foil in gold on white cardstock. Those sentiments come from one of the Yanas Makula sentiment foil set. That is one of my favorites, beautiful. And I don't remember which one, but I will put it on maybe on the list. I'm gonna list it on below if you're interested. Now you can see this one is a different date because it was getting too dark. I didn't like the day, and then I let it for a few days, I'm afraid. So a couple of days, almost a week after. So now I've got everything attached. I'm just gonna glue my embossed panel directly on my card. The card I'm using a Dough Craft selection that they are quite cute polka dot pastel colors that I thought it would match nicely. They're quite old. I don't even know if they still sell them, but I think it matched this card rather well. And I'm just gonna try to center it with not great results, as you can see. Luckily glue gives you a bit of wiggle around option, so, and that's it, and the card is done. I hope you like it, and thank you so much again for staying with me. And if you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, please. All right, thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.